Hello and welcome back to another vlog. So I am just on my way home. I've had 4 hours straight of lectures in the same room, which has literally given me cabin fever because just sitting in a seat for 4 hours is not great. That's kind of a lie because I did leave in between one of the lectures to go get a snack because I was starving, and when I put my money in the machine, a packet of crisps that I put the number in for didn't come out. It got stuck in the machine. I was like, of course this has happened, like in between my lectures, so that was really annoying. But other than that, had 4 hours, it went okay. Just really tired now, so I'm gonna quickly go have a nap because I'm exhausted, and then I'm gonna get back to work. I just got into the house, took off my dungarees because they were really tight, well not tight but just uncomfortable, and literally gonna just have a nap here on the sofa. It's really bad, but basically I've had sleeping tablets since what happened to me in Greece in the summer. So if you're new, I will leave that vlog down below. But basically something quite traumatic happened in Greece that stopped me from sleeping. Like, my body reacts really strangely at night time and I just can't get to sleep very well, so I was prescribed sleeping tablets, and I've barely used them because, one, I don't want to be reliant on tablets, and two, they just generally scare me, the fact they can like slow my heart rate down, and I don't know, they're obviously not good like for you long term. So I have been skeptical, not skeptical, I have been a bit tentative like in terms of trying them, but if I'm having a really bad sleeping pattern over the week or whatever, then I will take one before I go to bed, or two, because you can take up to two. So I took some last night and they have a really bad effect on me in the morning. Like, my eyes are so like, and I feel so drowsy, and it just doesn't make me feel good. Like, it's obviously worth it it's worth it at the time, like immediately, because obviously it sends me off to sleep instead of like being all rigid and tense and like full of anxiety. It does make me like drift off to sleep really well and makes me have like no interruptions in the night. Like, I never wake up in the night when I take them, which is obviously why people get addicted, because they do work really well. But I just hate the fact that in the mornings my eyes are literally like, ugh, and I feel like I can't concentrate well. So I don't really know. That's why I'm coming back and having a nap, because I think it'll give me a lot more energy. So hopefully have a little nap, put an alarm on, because I heard that apparently if you set your alarm for 28 minutes, that should be a sufficient amount of time for a nap. Like a good nap that's not going to end up making you feel shit afterwards, because you know sometimes it could go either way. Like, you could wake up feel so much better and just so glad you had a nap, or you could wake up feeling completely worse and like you're still just as tired or more tired than you were before. So I'm going to have a 28-minute nap, very specific, and then I will catch up with you because I need to do some blog posts and an actual online test tonight. My week is so busy and it's really stressing me out already, and it's only Monday. Like, I'm so busy, I can't, you'll see from when I vlog the rest of the week, even if I can or can't, I don't know, because it is so hectic. Right, so I've had my nap. It was delightful. I was asleep for an hour and a half in the end. Woke up after like 10 minutes and I was like, oh no, fuck it, I'm just gonna wake up when I feel it's okay. Woke up absolutely fine. Then there was some bangings on the door and I was like, oh god, it made me jump because I was literally lying on the sofa right next to the door. Found out it was the delivery man and I got my skinny dip parcel, which is so exciting. I have been wanting this coat for absolutely ages. It is cow print and I am obsessed. Obviously it's faux fur. And yeah, Skinny Dip basically brought out some coats this winter, and I knew about this because, let me get myself in the mirror because I'm getting all a bit tangled up here. Basically I knew these were coming out because I did like a focus group with them in London in summer with one of my friends, Sophie. We went and like basically told the Skinny Dip team our opinions on their different coats, and they've like adjusted them to what we thought, because obviously we all love Skinny Dip and stuff, and just wanted a bit of an insight from like consumers and people who would buy the products. And I fell in love with this cow print. I was like, I haven't seen anyone else do this on the high street. Obviously I've seen like designers and stuff, which I don't buy from, obviously, because one, I'm a student, and two, I don't really see the point in spending like large sums of money on like one item of clothing. Like, I just don't, that's not my vibe, especially when you can get them for like a way cheaper price in the high street, and it's not that, the quality isn't that different. So yeah, this coat is from Skinny Dip. It was a little bit pricier, but I'd been saving like the money for it because I'd known I wanted it since summer. So yeah, really happy with this purchase. And then I also got this new little ring to add to my finger collection. Why is it not focusing? Please focus, yay. So this is a new addition to my ring collection on my fingers. It's gold with a bit of like black detailing, and it's a little scorpion. I thought it was really cute. I love like gold jewellery at the minute, like gold rings. And yeah, basically just thought I'd let you know my latest deliveries. I'm now just about to edit some photos and get a blog post up tonight before me, Hattie and Megan head to Wildwood. We're meeting one of Hattie and Megan's friends from their course, and we're going to go watch a film that the SU, like the Students' Union at Lincoln, have put on in Wildwood Cinema. It's called The Help, and I think it's one of Hattie's favourite films, so I'm really excited. Okay, so we're en route to Wildwood with my friends. We're gonna get some. Oh, it's fun. We're going to go get some food first in Wildwood, and then we're going to go up to the cinema. Woohoo! Starving. What is this? What is the help for? Is it Black History Month? Yeah. Yeah, the union are putting it on for Black History Month.
It's such a good film, I love it.
Yeah, Hat's been raving about it, so I'm excited.
Didn't even know they did like a Black History Month at Wildwood thing.
No, it's nice.
It's a good idea. There's like loads of films, but the
Oh fuck, I forgot the Wildwood voucher.
Same.
Mine. Okay.
Same.
God, at least
It's
you've
only
got
about 2
hats.
people, so you can choose.
Shit. So I've got my ass for you guys. So these guys are taking the piss at me because I got my torch out because we're in a dark area. But I got peri peri chicken on this food coming over. It's really awkward. Right. So it's really dark, but I've got peri peri chicken and fries. Pat over there has a carbonara and some garlic bread, and then Megan over there has
some greedy bit,
arancini balls. And we're just gonna yam this down, then go head up over there to the cinema. We're back home from.
I like the they make when they.
We come back from the cinema and it was really good. It was really good. 100% recommend if you want to shed a little tear. But I'm just about to change Megan's life by showing her the orange Smartie trick that I found out last year. Let's go. Actually, I found out earlier this year. The orange Smarties are the ones that taste amazing. When you shove like loads of random coloured Skittles in your mouth, Smarties in your mouth, orange is the one that changes the game. Ready?
I need to show you something after this.
Okay. I'm well excited.
Oh!
Yay! 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 You know what I mean?
It doesn't taste like orange, really.
No.
That's
I think it's just.
Hmm.
You know what I mean? It's the one that makes it taste good.
Oh my.
Oh my god, do you want some hat?
Yeah.
Wait, do you know this?
No.
The orange ones are the best. I only found out this year because like Sophie was taking all of my orange Smarties out. She was probably watching this, and I was thinking, what are you doing? They don't taste any different. And then I tasted them. I was like, oh no, orange Smarties are the one.
What are the other flavours then?
I don't know. I don't think they have specific flavours, but I think it's just, I don't know. Someone help. I don't know, but how good. So I've just come to my room. Just been chatting in Megan's room for absolutely ages. Oh, look at him. He's so cute. Yeah, just been chatting in Megan's room for ages, and now I'm just about to go to bed. I am literally just dreading tomorrow because I'm in uni 13 hours. I'm in 9 to 5 labs, and then I've got a 4-hour rehearsal for musical theatre, so woo, fun times. At least it will be fun, obviously, in the evening once my lab stuff's done. It's just we need to be in there all day because we're like doing gels and they have to like set and things like that, so it does take a long time for it all to happen. But yeah, I'm just sort of like stressed out about like eating because like how am I supposed to eat like in that time frame, but I think it should be alright. There should be like a break in lunch and then a break just before I go to musical theatre, so hopefully it all goes well. The film was amazing. Like, I highly recommend, if you're Wildwood near you, or if you're in Lincoln, you go there for like little cinema things. We did it with the Students' Union, so it was a little bit cheaper, but Wildwood do like a really cool deal where you pay $19.95 for a 3-course meal and like a cinema like ticket sort of thing, and they have like their own cinema. They provide like free popcorn, and the cinema has loads of sofas in, so it was really like nice and comfortable. And yeah, I don't know, it's just always a really nice experience, so definitely recommend if you have one near you. Just had some really great news, which I might share at some point, but yeah, I'm just in a really good mood because I've just had some really good news. That was annoying to say, but you can probably tell like I'm in a really cheery mood now. So I'm just gonna go to bed. I've just been FaceTiming my boyfriend and my mum and brother for a bit as well, so that was nice to speak to them before they come on Wednesday. And yeah, I'm just gonna go to bed now, and I will speak to you. I probably won't vlog tomorrow as I'm literally away all day and I won't have time to film, but I might film some clips and put them in like Wednesday's vlog. So yeah, see you on Wednesday. Bye.